Using the 5 food photos that you took this weekend, you are going to be creating some thumbnail sketches in your sketchbook or a piece of paper, and this is to begin practicing composition. In your sketchbook, go ahead and write this down. Composition is the visual placement or arrangement of objects in an artwork. So when you were arranging your food, you were creating a different composition. I'm going to start by making thumbnail sketches. So you need your sketchbook or a piece of paper, a pencil, and then your 5 food photos. We are going to be creating 3 thumbnail sketches, so choose your top 3 favorite photos that you took. So I picked my top 3 favorite pictures. Now I'm going to draw the thumbnail sketches so I can start practicing the drawing part. A thumbnail sketch is basically just a mini version or sketch of your photo or reference. Your thumbnail sketch needs to have the same orientation as your picture, so landscape or portrait. Since my top 3 favorite pictures that I've chosen are landscape, all of my 3 thumbnail sketches are going to be drawn landscape. Okay, so I have my reference picture up on my computer. You can use your phone, whatever you need, or a Chromebook. And in my sketchbook, I have my 3 thumbnail sketches. Now, the thing about drawing from a reference is you want to do it quick. And this is probably the hardest part of drawing, is forcing yourself to draw quick. So instead of spending, like 10 minutes drawing the cookie, you're going to spend that time looking at the entire thing, moving around quickly around your little sketch. So to start out, I'm going to draw little halfway tick marks on my square here, or box. And I'm going to use those as reference. So if I were to look at my drawing, this is about the halfway point. So my cupcake over here, or muffin and cupcake, are on this side of this section right here, and I'm gonna try to draw this thumbnail sketch in 1 minute. So what I want you to do is try to time yourself, give yourself 1 minute to complete this little reference thumbnail sketch. And the entire time you're moving around, you're not spending too long in one spot, because if you spend too long in one area and then you find out that it's wrong, you just wasted a lot of time. So this is the way to start drawing. So set a timer for 1 minute and try to draw your picture in 1 minute. So my eyes are continually looking at the picture. I don't spend too much time looking down at my paper, constantly looking up, not focus too much on details. And I'm done. So here's my really rough thumbnail sketch according to my picture. So it's not perfect, and I didn't worry about details. I just got the placement. So now I'm going to do my next 2 sketches, spending 1 minute on each of them. So I have my 3 thumbnail sketches. Now I need to decide which one I'm going to use for my final. This will be the final for this project, so you want to choose one that you really enjoyed. I'm going to choose this one that I drew first. It's a really good composition. I love the layout. I love how my little sketch turned out. And then this one was okay. There's not a lot going on. The top few pictures are okay. They work. But for me personally, I like to see an angle. And then this one to me was just kind of an awkward setup, so I'm going to avoid that one. And again, I'm going to go with this one that had a nice composition. Take a picture of your 3 thumbnail sketches and go ahead and turn them in on Google Classroom under 3 thumbnail sketches. And then watch the next video for your next step.